Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Zulu. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect ribeye steak. So first guys, before you do anything, make sure the steak is at room temperature so then it cooks nice and evenly throughout. Now liberally season the steak with salt and pepper on both sides, because when the steak hits the pan, you're going to lose 30% of the seasoning. I like to use a good stainless steel saute pan to cook my steak in. Now simply add some olive oil to your pan, about a tablespoon, swirl it around so it coats the whole bottom of the pan. So depending on how you like your steak cooked, your pinky to your thumb is well done, your ring finger to your thumb is medium well, your middle finger to your thumb is medium, your index finger to your thumb is medium rare, and that is rare. Just relax. Now ladies and gentlemen, before you start cooking the steak, you need to make sure the pan is red hot until the point that it starts to smoke. That's when you know it's going to get a nice colour on it. If it's not hot enough, it's going to boil instead of fry, and that's not what you want. So place the steak into the pan, moving away from you, so then the oil does not spit back at you. I like my ribeye steak about medium, so I'm going to cook about 2 to 3 minutes either side and leave it alone until you achieve a nice golden brown colour. Like this right here, that's exactly what you want. Now I'm going to cut some butter, about 25 grams worth, just cut into 3 pieces and add it to the pan. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, which I've lightly crushed, and then I'm going to start basting it, meaning spoon the butter over the top of the steak repeatedly. That's going to give the steak added moisture and flavour. Now the steak's cooked, put it on a plate, pour that delicious brown butter on top of the steak, and I'm going to wrap it in tin foil to keep the heat in, so then whilst it's resting, it's not going to get too cold. Now ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be accompanying my steak with some wonderful crispy potatoes which I've parboiled. That's going to give a wonderful fluffy interior with a crispy exterior. Or you can have it by itself, it's up to you, it's delicious. So first make sure your pan's nice and hot with some olive oil in, and have your potatoes sliced in half and place them one by one into your frying pan, flat side down, and leave them alone until the exterior of the potato turns a nice golden brown and it's nice and crispy. If it's not golden brown and crispy, leave them in for a bit longer. So now the steak's been resting for about 5 minutes or so, it's time to slice. When you're slicing a steak, always slice on an angle across the grain. That way you're going to keep that tenderness in the steak. If you cut straight down, it's more likely going to be really tough. Now the only thing that needs to be done is to plate it up and enjoy. And that is how you cook a ribeye steak to perfection. If you enjoyed it and you're listening, please like and subscribe. That would be really appreciated. But for now, if you don't mind, I'm going to enjoy my ribeye with some beautiful hard-boiled crispy potatoes and my desperado in peace. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.